I'm going to try to do it one hand here. Ah, there. Couple minutes on that side, about 2, 3, and then flip it. Let them cool. Here's all the ingredients. I got 14 crepes out of there. So here's the recipe. If you could read it. Hope you could read it. So you take some sauce, put it in the bottom. Not too much. Just a little bit. Then this is the ricotta with 1 egg. It's 32 ounces whole milk, 1 egg, and some Italian parsley. So you want to take 2 tablespoons, put it in here. Don't want to overstuff them. Fold it that way and that way. Put it in the pan. All right, let me get the rest going here. Okay, I got them all filled. I ran out of ricotta and I had a can of peach pie filling, so I made a couple peach ones. So I'm gonna take the sauce, just kind of go down the middle a little bit, and down this side. A little more here. Okay, so I'm going to put some basil from the garden. That's all I got left. I'm going to have to do more plants next year. Let me put that in there, and then I'm going to cover them, put it in the oven for 325 for about 40 minutes, but keep an eye on them. Put some of this pecorino cheese on top. You could put mozzarella in them too if you want, but I kind of like them just with the ricotta. So I'm going to get it cooking and wait for that to heat. And just enough for here and some for the beach. Okay, they're done. Just let them sit for a little bit. Doesn't take much to cook them. That's it. There's the peach. Maybe put some brown sugar or cream or something on top of them. Okay, thanks for watching.